Rockin Rock, Bare Naked Babies 45 ounces by Rockin Green is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Rockin Green Soft Rock has been specially designed for sensitive fabrics. With a formula that is specifically suited to go with soft water, Soft Rock provides the ideal mix of cleaners for an enhanced cleaning even without much rinsing. Rockin Green Soft Rock contains less pH value than most detergents for long-lasting freshness of clothes. Why you'll love it. It is gentle and safe on soft fabric. Features: lower pH value than regular detergents. Safe and gentle on sensitive skin. 60% improved cleaning. Requires lesser cleaning powder for a wash. Eco-friendly way to get your whole family's clothes clean, including cloth diapers. All the manufacturer's ingredients are biodegradable, even the packaging is 100% recyclable. Phosphate-free, scent-free, SLS-free.